Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be looking at CVC words using the letter sounds we've already learned. We will blend some sounds to make sensible words, mainly called CVC: consonants, vowels, consonants. In the previous videos, we've already read the CVC words of the vowel A, E and I. In this video, we are going to be looking at the vowel O, which says O. K, O, T, cot. P, O, T, pot. H, O, T, hot. D, O, T, dot. F, O, G, fog. D, O, G, dog. J, O, G, jog. L, O, G, log. M, O, P, mop. K, O, P, cop. T, O, P, top. H, O, P, hop. B, ox, box. Ox, fox. K, O, B, cob. L, O, B, lob. S, O, B, sob. R, O, B, rob. N, O, D, nod. R, O, D, rod. T, O, M, Tom. M, O, M, mom.
Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.